Welcome to the Wild West Show Radio TV, and these are the Diaries of a Hustler with your boy Bobo Zola. Today, I've got a very special guest. As you can see, Simnandi, all over. I've got Uxolani Mashuwe, the CEO of Godfidence SA.
Good day, guys. This is Xolani, the CEO of Godfidence SA. It is by grace. It is a clothing brand, guys, that is going nationwide.
It's not to say interview, yes, it's funny. Relax, man. You don't have to be. But it's fine. So, Xolani, everyone has been asking for you to come to the show, man. Like, I've been talking to a lot of people, Abayans are different types of businesses, and they'll be saying, Guti, I need to get you on because I see your brand is growing. So, Godfidence as a label.
Firstly, guys, I'm very humbled by the brand itself. Nami, the growth corner is a young tools. But now, when I started the brand, guys, I was going through hardships, right? And then through all the hardships, I thought my confidence lies as in doing the but only to realize as after going through all those hardships, I was still as confident. So I started realizing my confidence comes from above. So that's the reason I started the Godfidence Clothing SA.
Okay, so how did it start?
Yeah, and on the show today, I brought a very special T-shirt, which is the first T-shirt there, Godfidence Clothing.
Also, this was the first?
This was the first T-shirt here, Godfidence Clothing.
Yeah.
Because basically, I'm on printing and embroidery services. That's my core business. So I woke up at Psugo, I light the cigarette, and then I get in the office in Lam. I started printing the T-shirt. Then I started advertising the T-shirt, and it went so well.
Also, you the one who came up with the idea, you see the brand is going to be Godfidence Kamalaya.
Yes, Baba. Okay. After, as I said to you, this was after I went through the hardships, which is, I went through divorce cases and whatnot, and I thought my confidence lied in my wife, but now, after she left, I was still as confident.
What decided you
I decided, you know what, my confidence comes from above. It's not just confidence, it's Godfidence.
And actually, your core business initially, Boshai printing and embroidery.
I'm still doing the printing and embroidery.
You're still doing printing and embroidery.
Yes.
So now these things, this is like embroidery, right? This is what you're talking about.
Yeah, embroidery.
So we are Zenzel as well,
yes, isn't Tonya Zenzel.
Okay, but then I see now as a brand, say Kulile, say Namachini, Namachezi, Neko. So now you're doing the whole range in Batazakon.
Yeah, the whole range. We've got a workshop, a protea where we say a tunga machine, and then we print, we do printing, which is the embroidery. We do machines now, so I am tagging different taggings, and then a sublimation. Like the vest is from the vest is from sublimation.
It's from?
It's sublimation.
In sublimation, man.
It's another form of printing where you print directly to the garment.
Oh, okay. So you touch the garment and then you print that directly with.
Yeah.
More mistakes.
Yeah, Moshe. Start fresh.
So now when it comes to Izindolez, I've seen normally when you started actually isn't this part confidence, ne?
Yeah.
And then you change so pray and then there's the confidence.
Yeah.
So easy post or recipes not you personally, but I'm a customer.
What I can say is kunabantu 50-50. Kunabantu abathanda pray, kunabantu abathanda Godfidence.
Yeah.
But I brand yona Godfidence. So the reason we came up and pray later, it's after, as I said to Guti, the brand started after I went through hardships, right? So the other day I was sleeping and I poop and pray.
Yeah.
It's a branding I pull. I promise you. And an advantage of me having machines, I woke up and I started designing the Pray Godfidence. And I thought to myself, Guti, I do believe in dreams, man, are cool. They direct me a lot.
Okay.
So I thought, Guti, why did I dream of a name Pray? So I understand, okay, while I was going through my hardships, yes, I was as confident, and that's the reason I started the Godfidence. But now, how did I go through my hardships? That's when I started I started learning the power of prayer.
Okay, and then what was an idea pray?
Yes, what you pray Godfidence. So through whatever you are going through, you are still as confident, and prayer took me through all the hardships. So that's the reason Ubane pray confidence.
Okay, and what year did you start this business?
It started in 2018.
2018. Okay, I just want to ask you something. With all these brands, this corner, because it seems like everyone wins impahla, but I guess that's life. There's a time when everyone wanted to be a DJ. There was a time when everyone were from Tula. Mind, I'm guessing it's the time now when when you were thinking about this, well, what concept did you have in mind? Which when I brand because push and would be the best above all our corner match?
Okay, I mean, I approached a few influencers, which is your DJs and so way too. I started with DJ Chivani, which is I'm still with him now. I'm pushing the brand under the Simnandi Records. And then I've dressed the likes of your Robot Boy. I've dressed Uzoto Aban.
I saw that,
Yes, I've dressed DJ Stokey himself. Yeah. But in most cases, man, I'm working no DJ Chaivan. He's the influencer brand. Yeah.
And out of all the ranges on us, what would you say sells the most? I'm a Chezi, I'm a vest, keeper, caps, sport. Because I've seen it, I'm a 2000 and man sport to say pray.
The sport is a prey, the camel head.
The camel head.
Yeah, I can say it's my best seller.
It
is my best seller because you know there was a time where I would stock 100 and then in the next 2 weeks I have to go stock another 100. So in a month I would sell 200 of those. Yeah. But now these things are seasonal, as usual. Like in summer t-shirts I have. And then in winter, I'm a hoodie. I'm a hoodie. And then we've got a new range, man. Yama jeans. I'm a jean to jean. We've got a tracksuits, I'm a asha, which is not these ones.
And then he range one will last this for how long? Or when would take something?
The thing is, as I said to you, the advantage is that I have my own machines. Yeah. So I wake up and decide on whatever that I want to do. Like now after the show, I can go and just print anything.
Yes. No, but I'm asking like, for instance, the skipper's cogil, ne? If we have to give the time frame to say, with Lake Palace and things maybe for the next 3 months, or maybe I need to sell 200 of these and then change design, or you shall pay as you go.
Yeah, I can say I can say it's pay as you go. Because I've got a page go Instagram, I've got a page go Facebook.
Yeah.
So a lot of my clients would go back to the post maybe one last year and they will send pictures of whatever that they want. As I said, an advantage I'm putting no she. So I would ask you if you were looking for a hoodie, I would ask you the color for a printer and at times I customize my stuff.
So I'm not going to let range so it is continued.
Whatever you see on the page, whatever you want, I'm able to do it for you.
But then, abantu babefuna buy most because you don't have a store now taking stuff from corner. We shall make deliveries.
No, I do deliveries, and then abantu they collect from Zone 62.
Zone 6.
Yeah.
So mostly it's stuff was marketed about social media.
Social media, yeah.
Mara ngoni tama la call for skip us confidence that day. So I don't think go Facebook. Yeah.
Another blessing Moguti, my parents believe in the brand more itself. Yeah. My mom and my dad buy the brand.
Okay.
So the other day we went for a photo shoot. It was the Father's Day photo shoot.
Yeah.
We had to have confidence.
So no, it's the only brand you wear which I know confidence. Because so far I'm underband. I'm going to underband.
It's my keeper now.
Oh no, so shy. But then in terms of knowledge impact, like would you say you on knowledge more than an average person like me? Meaning part I'm trying to buy and pay, but I don't know what in Hambanan or colors, color coordination, Meles Vaganja. Would you say you are smart when it comes to that?
Firstly, quality. Quality, yeah.
So just made in China, so
yeah, they are made in China, but as now I have 2 ladies. As trainer for Tunga Mahudi.
Yeah.
And then I've got a guy who's doing a machine. Okay. So manje bengifunubenza a young into in-house. That's the reason I have umshini wokuthunga, I have umshini woku-embroider, I have umshini woku-printer. So ngifuna kungene kuyi-material kuphume kuyidephelele. Yeah.
Okay.
But okwamanje equality, sibheke equality number 1 on our staff because bengibheke izinto abantu babazithenge last winter. I'm seeing the posting nazo manje. And it makes me happy ukuthi you bought this last winter, you're wearing it this winter. So the other approach I had to Gucci, I've got other designs, like new designs, the new confidence designs. Because why? I've got people abasebanazo already. So I had to come up with something new this year.
Okay.
Because I can't be promoting the same thing. I want to release they have. So I had to come up with new ranges, new designs as a confidence.
And then when it comes to my sizes, don't you ever battle when it comes to that? Because I'm a big guy. Some means of double XL. And I told you, when twiggy, funny extra small, we're tall as on.
Yeah, as Nishogu, I mean, how I work, these items, I always have them as a stock. Normal as printing, long is big. So should you when I order something, I would ask your size and you touch because I have now ask the color of printed. Yeah.
And then do you have stores or would you as Tengsela, which Batengise or Yonkindo, Ipuma from when? Like if you see someone wearing confidence, Ipuma with distribution account.
Yeah, I know. Mostly Puma gaming.
Other stores of approach maybe with your Tengsela corner or you come table there is in those account.
There is guys that are approach for a brand. So Ogamanja was with the image room Mekahiso. Yeah, being Hispana now.
Yeah.
When we started, but Manja I was operate.
Okay. Yeah. You know what? Ngizokubuza any question ne. Ngibuza wonke umuntu ohlala la ohleli khona ne. Mina bengikeleza accounting scale.
Yeah.
So when it comes to business, angithi scale bewasifundisa ukuthi kune cash receipts journal, kune cash payment journal, kune ledger, ne income tax nine. When it comes to running business in Basha, how do you monitor your cash flow?
Okay, basically we bang on your stock, like the stock that you have.
Yeah.
And okay, in the stock for example, these are selling for 150. So if I have 10 of these, I know I have to collect at least 1,500. So that's how, as this is here, like for every item, like your hoodies, different channels.
Oh, okay. But then we have guy time frame, before we have bigger and then was born.
The thing is, in your stock, I overstock in a store.
Oh, believe what business here.
Yeah, I overstock. But then I'm in plastic.
Yeah,
people can come and buy fruits in Allah.
I know. Actually, I want because I believe when they display fruit, so I think there's something for everyone. It's not like when
yeah, especially look short that just underwear.
Short underwear, yeah. And do you isn't those as unisex or
no? It is.
Because strictly ladies, strictly guys, or virgin.
Most of my items are unisex.
Most of them.
Yeah, but on these we have ladies and range of
Yeah. And then when it comes to sponsorships, when you approach these people, Nispana Ganjan, we am Kaya, Uti, and also is brand popular or do they buy now? Mobitamela Culture Tencel.
No, I'm going to run business.
Yeah.
So with the influencers, then it's born okay, it's push Ganjan.
How did you get to Zotavan to take confidence? Zotavan is all about Unakoi. When we am cookies.
You know when she took the brand, we took a clip, and what she said is no man to knows anyatanda.
Also, who won't convince you which I made a push it.
Not convinced in a way because you know as Nishogu Uguti le brand yes 10 years some cool.
Yeah. No. Honestly, I believe that. You know what happened the other day, ne?
Yeah.
One of the guys we work with, ne, once came with a e-keeper in
Yeah.
And this was at the office lang Spanacon. So now when he came there were people who were starting there. I think there was about 100 ladies, a mix actually, out in Abuchir, ne? Magafi he started pushing those, and then people started buying from the booth. Now one would name and I brand yes by Sayona. So Balano Kaguta, no, at least magic isn't those mega Samachampurangan.
You know when Mescali branding, it was not about Imali, but it was about sharing the message to the youth and to everyone. We cannot stereotype the brand for Abantabaye so 20 pair. So what this is like, for an example, there was this guy who goes, why did you have to put Upreyonga or a chest in Yeti? Let's make an example, we're spanning.
Yeah.
uhamba ngeteksi use-QE umile umele iteksi igcwele i-QE igcwele someone uyayehla usuka from number 1 to number 17 uyogibela agqoke le top. Do you know how many people will be reminded of prayer?
Yeah.
Yes, ekuseni I forgot to pray. Yes.
Yeah.
It's like sending the message through clothing. That's why I have slogans like it says pray confidence, it is by grace. So whatever it's happening in your life, it happens by the grace of God.
But now in terms of growth, because I've seen Uti brand has grown so much. When were you expecting that, and when did you realize Uti man out of hand?
Yeah, I started realizing missing like orders, big orders. Like there was a guy was a RTPS.
Yeah.
I was a RTPS in Pumile, no mama was in, and we were clearly like some restaurant.
Balloon ride.
Yeah, and this guy one approach. I was wearing a red cap like this one.
Yeah.
One approach, I like this cap. We told him, I'm the one doing it. What giving Kalungan and I'm a cap by 600.
600?
Yes.
Yo.
And I'm like, I thought he was joking. And I was like, why 600 caps? No, I own a spa. I want to thank my staff.
Yeah.
And I started realizing, Gucci, so this guy is using the brand to thank his staff sack. So that's how valuable and important the brand
message is.
Yeah.
The message in the brand as well. Yeah.
And it took me, because I had to outsource, because it was a lot. I had to outsource, it was a lot. Yeah, and the thing is, at times you would need a number just to say, hey guy, it's a book guy 10,000. You know what I mean? Because it just happened. The guy was only cap and he was like,
600 and then so great.
Yeah.
And then in terms of growth, because I don't know what we pay from EP, but the way we've been seeing it brand when what's the next step for when I'm opening?
Okay, soon goes over the shop.
Yeah.
It's over the shop. We're still building, but I will inform people as soon as
the shop is over.
Yeah.
And everyone's been complaining for the past year, in there was a coronavirus, a lockdown, a business, abantu baluza ispan nani. Ikaffecte kanjani onebhizinisi?
And I always say ukuthi we essential workers. We sithengisa impahla. Nangale lockdown le manje level 4.
Yeah.
I posted ukuthi we essential workers sithengisa amajezi.
We
have to keep warm ukuthi corona ingangeni. So we always on.
Okay. And when it comes to tapping into other provinces, have you thought of that? Or
because this is not, I cannot classify it as a local brand anymore.
Yeah.
The reason for that is because I've delivered. Firstly, I've delivered to 9 provinces of the country.
Yeah.
There was a birthday. I did a birthday month special.
Yeah.
On that particular week, I've delivered to 9 provinces of the country.
9 provinces?
Yes, boss.
Okay, so uthola amawada kanjani via social media?
Yeah, social media.
Okay, and then basically where's Hambela or Nkara?
No, I'm using a courier service. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So abantu ba order kuwela and then bese wena advice.
Yeah.
But then would you say ukuthi iso way to you guys supported by or kunendawo ezinye or everyone is just showing love?
Brand yaseso wethu but manje in South Africa I don't want to ukuthi siye deep kule
conversation.
Yeah, ibrand yaseso wethu, ibrand izalo eso wethu but Imzansi is giving me support. That's what I can say. Imzansi is giving me support. Because on a weekly basis, I puma a minimum of 7, a maximum of 15 items is a puma outside the province.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're always working on something with something and maybe survive. Do you think maybe you need extra hands or grand?
Extra hands,
Abantu ngaspanisana nabo. Like, would you look at it in a sense of like start a proper company with okay, these are the people I work with. You're putting out 7 and then maybe you can get some other person printer, like the printing
yeah.
Like are you working towards that direction or will grind ways into one?
okwamanje bengisasegraining izinto the way izinto zivaya ngakhona.
Oh, you prefer to be hands-on?
Yeah, but the company was able to buy a bike, so we've got a runner. So we're there.
Well, you want to even post the other day on Facebook.
I had to post it, Baba. Every little thing is a blessing game.
Yeah, Bonisa would at least he has and
Yes, good.
Okay, so going forward then, is it still gonna be the same things like t-shirts, jeans and hoodies, or maybe the shiny formal wear or any other range?
As in Shilo, I'm bringing the denim project. I have
Bogart to Bogart.
Yeah, the Bogart to Bogart.
Yeah.
I've got a vest. I've got a tracksuit.
A tracksuit.
Yeah,
I saw that the other day we posted we say Devon, Nama gents. We not deliver what was happening there?
No, it was an outing, Nama gents.
Oh, it was an outing.
Yeah, but give me everything, every little thing I do, I have to.
But we had our few apart.
Yeah, because in the Father's Day, my father could simply wear a suit, but because I believe in the brand so much, we had to take pictures in confidence.
So you wouldn't do him with confidence?
As I say, I'm directed by Uncle to do this brand. Like whatever that is happening in a brand, it's just
something. Yeah. Okay, no, I know about to wrap the show, so now we just need to confirm if I want to be interested or about something about.
Okay, I've got Instagram.
Yeah,
and I've got a Facebook page which is Confidence Clothing SA.
Yeah.
Then
and then we Instagram mobile.
We now Confidence Clothing
SA.
Yeah.
So it's Confidence Clothing as in confidence like and then Clothing SA.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I wanted to ask you something out time because I was telling someone else because it looks like bonke abantu abadesigner yabo is there something special in the name?
Yeah, I can say. But you know what? I've got my brother in business, so he owns his spoiled bread clothing.
The spoiled bread, yeah. Now Tolani.
Yeah, he took me from a very low level to where I am because he was very transparent in our kid, and I want to thank him so much.
Yeah, he's you need to thank me. Tolani Menkeleza primary. We go copy sub A, sub B, standard 1, standard 2, up until standard 5. From the UCC with Isola High, such in high school. So I wanted the knowledge I passed to him. So I
no, but
I can say so.
Yeah, and he was very helpful.
Oh, okay, information.
Yeah, I would take credit. You know, you would ask, you would ask them, and they will be like, hey, no, you know what I mean. But with him, he was just transparent, and yeah.
And what's the next big thing also like how much steps from now going forward in terms of the brand? Abantu bangathola kuphi or what's happening?
The next big thing.
Yeah, like what are your plans? Not big thing as in to the page abantu abayi 50,000, but like no, to say the next thing also into the ama gym.
Yeah.
But going forward now, ama plans on now for the brand if you
okay, firstly we launch our brand, maybe an official launch.
Yeah.
Because we haven't done a launch here brand yet.
We
rolled it out and we started pushing it a strategy. Nami ngathuka ngifika eBloemfontein kunomuntu ogqoka brand yami.
Yeah,
and I was at the shop and I was like, yo, God, you're cool. Yeah. So kuzoba ne brand. I was planning on a concert where I'll be including because the concert here Confidence, it can't just be a it has to accommodate everyone as the brand is for everyone.
Yeah.
Remember the brand, I'm selling it to families, I'm selling it to piano heads, I'm selling it to everyone.
So 2000.
Yeah, I'm a 2000, I'm a 2000, I'm a like your families. A lot of people are buying the brand for gifts. Yeah, like they buy 10 and then niggas are buying 2 gifts. Most people in Israel. And I don't think there's a lot of people I sold items to, but today Mombo's like, man, I buy 30.
Oh, I son. No, but Brian, as in, we just want to thank you for what you touched Kasako, Sikvusulele, Usakhohlela, Mara, Ozogala, and would like to ask everyone who's watching the show to go support the brand. And please don't forget to subscribe to our page, Wild West Show Radio TV, and go on to Facebook, YouTube, Nagu Instagram. And you said you can also get e-confidence on Facebook.
Facebook and Instagram.
Confidence Clothing SA, and then Instagram.
yeah.
It's Confidence Clothing SA.
Yeah.
Any last words from your side?
Nama, I want to thank you guys for having me. It's my pleasure.
Ungabongela uthekada cause iSpan. Yimi umuntu okwenza iSpan.
Okay. Ngicela ukubonga wena.
All right, that's stress me
for having me on
No,
the
but
show.
I'm gonna be absolutely shy. iSpan sesincomekayo siyabonga. It's good to see a brother doing his grand for themselves.
Ngiyabonga.
Guys, you can catch us on the next episode of The Diaries of a Hustler. Peace out.